guys, these are the bags that I thought you might find this interesting. These are the bags I decided to keep out for until we move, just in case I feel like I want to switch around. So I've got my look, my gel popped off. Let me use this hand. So I've got my, and this one's not much better, LV Palm Springs backpack. This is in the mini size. Super cute. Love this. I was on the fence about getting this, and then one of my friends, she actually has this in the medium size. I think it's the medium, maybe it's the large. And when I saw her have it, she came to have a treatment and she had it with her, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want this. So I thought the mini was the right size for me. This is the one where the zip is sort of enclosed. There's nothing in it right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see the zip is hidden. They've now made it so the zip is a little bit more visible to make it more easier to use, but honestly, it's still just as hard. And then the next one is this bag here. This is a new bag, actually. It's quite a new purchase. This is the Chanel GST. And this is discontinued now. And it looks white on camera, but it is actually a kind of beigey color. It's sort of beigey. It's in caviar. And I was gonna dye this bag pink. I bought the dye. I don't know where I put it, but I bought the dye to dye it hot pink. But the more I look at it, the more I like this color. And I'm actually definitely going to be doing a cleaning of this bag. So this is what I would say. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a cleaning of this one, just to see how much dirt we can bring up off it and see how we can clean it up, because it just needs a clean. And I want to give it a really deep clean, where you see on the chains, see how dirty from where the metal has ripped off. I want to actually unthread from here, take out the leather, clean it, condition it, and then I actually want to stitch it back through. On the corners and things, there's also some wear. So I watched some handbag restoration videos, and they actually like custom mix leather paint and paint it on, so I might have a go at that as well. Next, this is my Lady Dior in mock croc. This isn't real crocodile, this is mock croc in the patent. Let me show you here. I love this bag. It comes with a it has the old design where it has the zip. I love the clasp. Let me show you the clasp. Look at the clasp. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. This does also come with a shoulder strap as well. And to be honest, this is not something that I really need to keep out, but I haven't used this bag really since I got it. So this is why it's out right now, because I want to use it. So yeah. Next is my Hermes Birkin in, I think this is 35. I can't quite remember. This is vintage. This was handed down to me, so this is vintage, and it's gorgeous. I think it's in the classic like Hermes orange. I don't know if it's called poppy orange, or just classic Hermes orange, but this is stunning. There's a bit of corner wear on the corners, but it's still stunning. And why is the padlock full of wood? I don't know. But I would like to actually maybe do a restoration job on this as well. Clean it up, do the same thing with the corners. And then this bag here, this is my Louis Vuitton Speedy. This is also vintage. I seem to really have a thing for vintage bags. And this comes with the shoulder straps as well. And yeah, here we go. Comes with the shoulder strap. Now, does anybody know what this collection was called? Off the top of my head, I cannot remember. But this is in excellent condition. Like when I bought this, the patina was still super, well, it's still super light now. It's starting to tan more gradually now. We're starting to get more of that tan effect. But yeah, honestly, this bag is amazing. And it's just, this is summer. Like this bag is made for summer. made for summer. So these are my 5 bags that I'm keeping out during during house moving. So yeah, that's these. And these are my SLGs that I'm going to be keeping out while we move as well, just because I need a few little bits just in case. So of course I'm going to be keeping my Louis Vuitton key holder. This is it's a 6 key. Girl, I am so dumb today. So this, of course, is my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. This is always in my bag. The condition is fair. I mean, I use it a lot, but this is a game changer for me and I love it. And this is probably one of my first small SLGs that I got that I use for daily use. So my key holder in here. Next is my Damier Ebene toiletry pouch. And do you know what? I forgot the size of this, but it's the makeup size. It's the makeup pouch size. I'm kind of filming this impromptu, so I didn't have time to research all the names. For example, I don't know the size of this. And then this is it's like a mini pochette that I just keep to store. Is there anything in here at the minute that I keep just to store things? So yeah, this is my mini pochette, and I just keep this around because it's handy to have things to put in. My Yves Saint Laurent card holder that was a present from my boyfriend for, I think it was Christmas. It was a choice between this one and my Gucci Marmont GG Pink card holder, but I went for the black. Next, this is my Chanel wallet. This is the O-Zippy wallet. And get this focus, there we go. This is in lambskin. So just got this as well for a wallet. And then this is a Louis Vuitton pouch. This is part of the origami set. I decided just to keep this one out here. And that's that, just because a pouch is always handy to have as well. And then of course I have I think it's called key clay. I keep my car key in here. So again, this is a regular piece. This is in Damier Ebene as well. And this is what I keep my car key in. My car key is flat, so it sits in here perfect. And this is the Chanel, is this the boy wallet? I think it's the boy wallet, I can't remember. This is handy. I think they call this like a card holder, but it's handy because inside you have a front pocket at the front. Sorry, there's so much stuff in here. And then you have space for card slots, coin bit. Then you have an extra bit at the front as well. And ooh, there's £10 in there. Oh, there's £20 in there. Come on, mama. Did not know I had that one. And then my Louis Vuitton coin pouch. This is new. Don't ask me why I did this, but I bought this separate and I bought the strap separate as well. So the strap is from the multi-pochette handbag, and I honestly don't know why I didn't just buy the whole bag, but I bought the strap first and then I wanted the key pouch or whatever it's called, coin pouch, to clip on there and hang, just because I was thinking it would look super cute, because that felt a bit bare without anything on this strap. But yeah, these are my main SLGs and a strap that I'm taking away with me, or I'm keeping out while I am moving. So it's probably going to be about another like 3 or 4 weeks, maybe a bit longer until we move out. So it's going to be a couple more weeks basically. So this is what I'm keeping out, and I thought some of you guys might find this interesting.